What are some of the stocks that I'm looking out there to invest in 2023? Hey, this is CeoTrades, where money works for you. We're looking today at specific stocks that I'm looking at in the next several weeks, days, to be able to make an investment on. Now, why am I looking at these specifically? There are certain reasons that I'm looking at. Number one is the holidays are upon us, which means people will go out there, even if you tell them not to, people will go out there and shop till they drop. That's one. Two, people are going to travel. That's number two. Very important, shopping and traveling. People will purchase their summer vacations, their holiday vacations, their family weekend getaways, and so on. And this is why I'm looking at these specific stocks, because I believe this is where the money will be in reference to investing. Now, this is Delta Airlines. Right now it's at 34. We saw a low of 27. Will it go back down? I wish it did, but so that I could pick up some more. But I don't have any Delta right now. I don't have it in my portfolio, but this is a good one to invest in because I know that Delta is like the pioneer of airlines right now in the US. It's the number one airline. Although they have their negativities, they also have their positive side as well. You can see their highs in the last year was 46. It's at 34, so it's halfway move, 7 from the bottom and about 12 from the top. And this one eventually will post higher highs eventually, but just be careful because we have an impending recession or stock market drop that could drop 20 to 30%. And that's what I'm looking to. If this drops 20 to 30%, I'm going to jump in there. That guess what? That number will bring me back down to the 27 to 30 range, which is a good time to pick this up. And the same thing for a lot of the other ones. The Spirit Airlines, which is in the process of merging with JetBlue, they've gone up a little bit and they're consolidated in the last day. And I would follow these airline stocks because this is where the money's at. JetBlue is way down, very good price. Will it go down some more? As I said, watch the news, be aware of what's going on so that you're able to make the best decisions for you with your financial advisor. American Airlines is at 47 right now. It is, it's way down, half below its high in the past year when it hit in March 24th of $98 or so, and it hasn't hit that. But I believe this one will be a good one as well for longer term investment, but not right now. Apple, I'm expecting to post lower numbers on this one, especially since they halted one of their plants from producing iPhone 14. Now, Ford is a good company, and people are purchasing cars, even though cars are going to be given back to the companies in the next several weeks. They're being repoed, and the repo guys don't know what to do with these cars. Guess what? They're going to be used cars. Sales are going to drop. They're going to be so many cars out there that they don't know what to do. So they're going to give them away for free compared to the prices that are out there right now. This is Amazon, and Amazon is a great company to invest in. You can see it's on a downtrend since its highs back in November 18 of last year. And now you can see it's just downtrending all the way down. It did pick up here, and we've had some sort of a W in here, or inverted cup. Some people will say that, and it's gone down, kept going down. Will it go down some more? If it goes down to $60, I'm picking up Amazon. Amazon is a great buy for long-term investors. I'm not a long-term investor, but for a specific goal, yes, I'll pick it up. Macy's is at 22. I've been following it since it was around 17, hoping it was going to go down to 14 or 15. I should have picked it up then. I regret not doing that. It's up over 30% since I've been watching it in the last several weeks. At the beginning of October, I believe. This is a good one to watch, and it's going to go above 30s, but I'm going to wait until see what happens with the markets before I pick this one up as well. Target, another good one. It's right now it's at 164. It was 2 days ago at 148. It's gone up a bit. Let's see what's happened in the last year on Target. Here we go. Target, the high was 256, so it's way off its highs. Will it go down a bit more? You bet it's going to go down to at least that 130-ish level again, if not lower. Let's see what else is here. Walmart is at 149 right now. In the last year, you can see it had a high of 160. So this one's pretty much regained its power from last year. This was at the beginning of this year, actually, in April. In April, the 22 is when it hit its highs. And Why is Walmart gaining? Because there's a lot of news saying that people who make 100 plus are starting to shop at Walmart for